Hi guys, this is Shikha and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to share my most favorite healthy snack which I eat almost daily. So last time when I was making these muffins, I posted a picture in my Insta stories and a lot of you guys asked how to make it. Recipe please. So here I am sharing my recipe with you guys. So what's really great about these muffins are they are really simple to make and they are super healthy. And this is really great for those people who have gluten intolerance because it's made up of coconut flour and it has no sugar at all. These muffins act as a perfect pre and post workout snack, and also it's perfect when you are on the go and running and you have no time for breakfast. So without further ado, let's get right into the baking.
Okay, so you want to start with 3 ripe bananas. First of all, you're going to peel them and then mash them using a fork. And you want to use the bananas which are having brown spots just like these ones, because once they get ripe, they become a lot sweeter and easy to mash. This mashed banana is going to make your muffin a lot sweeter naturally, and that's the reason why you wouldn't need any additional sugar whatsoever. After that, you are going to need 3 eggs which are at room temperature. Crack those in and then mix all those together until it gets all nice and mixed. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. And then mix. And then I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm going to add 1/3 cup of peanut butter or any nut butter of your choice. I know my peanut butter doesn't look like actual peanut butter because it's the homemade one, but I promise it tastes good. Again, mix. Then I'm going to add 1/3 cup of coconut flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. And then mix it all together. So I'm going to mention all the measurements in the description box down below, so you do not need to rush through this video. And at last, I'm going to fold in the combination of walnuts and pecans, or you can use any nuts of your choice. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then I'm going to take my muffin tin and line them, or you can spray the tin with coconut oil if you want to. Then using a spoon, I'm going to place the batter in the liners like so. Alright, so I'm going to place these babies in for baking for about 20 to 30 minutes or until the skewer comes clean. So guys, here you have it, it's ready! Do try this simple recipe at home and let me know how it turned out for you. I will see you next time. Till then, bye guys!